Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing Unit 16 Triangles. In the previous lecture, we have learnt what is a triangle, what are its faces, vertices, and angles. A closed figure of three sides is called a triangle and it has three vertices, three sides, and three angles. With which we have completed worksheet 1 of unit 16. Now let's start the properties of a triangle. What are the properties? The first property is the sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. I repeat, the sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Let's verify this property with a few examples. Here we have two triangles with same name PQR, PQR. The triangles are given at page number 182 of our book with the table of measurements. We have to measure the angles with the help of a D. As you have used this instrument protractor, or you can call it D, in class 4th to construct the angles or measure the angles. Here, by putting this protractor, the vertex of the angle and the vertex of the D, we will measure all the angles here as angle Q equals to 120 degree. So we will write here angle PQR equals to 120 degree. Similarly, when I'll measure angle R, that will be 30 degree, and angle P, that is also 30 degree. This is the name of the angle PQR. The angle, the alphabet which is in middle Q, that angle will be measured. R will be measured, P will be measured. Now when we will add these three angles, 120 plus 30 plus 30, the sum will be 180 degree. Okay, so this is the first property. Whatever the size, whatever the shape of the triangle is, the sum of angles will always be equals to 180 degree. Okay, one more triangle is given in this question and you will measure these angles on your own to find sum of three angles. This part you will do on your own. Now the same property will be used in worksheet 2 of our chapter, which is at page number 183 of our book. The first question is, measure the angles of a triangle given below. What is the sum of three angles? The same question is given as we have done earlier. A triangle is drawn in the book. You will solve this question also in your book. We will measure all the three angles, angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. For example, this angle Y is equals to 70 degree. So angle X, angle Y, angle Z. When you will measure this X, you will get 60 degree. Y, as it is shown, 70 degree, and Z will be 50 degree. Okay, then we have given what is the sum of the three angles. Here we will find sum of angles. This is equals to 60 degree plus 70 degree plus 50 degree, that is 180 degree. Okay, the sum will always be 180 degree. This completes our question number 1. Now let's start question number 2. Question number 2 is, find which of the following can be the measures of three angles of a triangle. 35 degree, 80 degree and 65 degree. Three angles are given. We have to check that these are the angles of a triangle or not. We can check it by using our property. For that, we just find sum of angles, that is 35 degree plus 80 degree plus 65 degree. Just add all the things. It will be 180 degree. If the sum is 180, then you will write here sum of angles is 180 degree. So these are the angles of a triangle. Okay, this completes our A part. Let's start its D part. Here three angles are given 45 degree, 59 degree and 81 degree. Similarly in A part we will find the sum of angles 45 plus 59 plus 81. When I'll add all these angles, I will get the sum 185 degree. But for the angles of a triangle, the sum should be 180 degree. So what will we write in this question? Here sum of angles is not 180 degrees. So these are not the angles of a triangle. Okay. Similarly, we can solve its B and C part, which you will do on your own. It completes our question number 2. Let's start its question number 3. Can you draw a triangle with two right angles? Give reasons. In class 4, you have studied about right angle. Do you remember what is a right angle? Yes, an angle which measures 90 degree is called a right angle. So, if there are two right angles, then 90 plus 90, the sum of two angles will be 180 degree. But a triangle has three angles. And here the question is, can you draw a triangle with two right angles? So if I add any third angle here, the sum will be more than 180. So we cannot draw a triangle. So here we will write, no, we cannot draw a triangle with two right angles because sum of three angles will be more than 180 degree. Okay, come to next question. Question number 4 here also. Can you draw a triangle with two obtuse angles? Do you remember the definition of obtuse? Which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So if two angles are more than 90, here the sum will be, sum of two angles is also more than 180 and sum of three angles will also be more than 180. So here also we will write no, because sum of three angles will be more than 180 degree. Okay, this completes our question number 4, and the remaining questions of this worksheet we will discuss in next e-lecture. Your homework is complete and revise question number 1 to 4 of worksheet 2 of unit 16. Thank you.